Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me and allowing me to continue to be your daily advocate. If you're new here or you're not subscribed for any reason, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. Thank you to all of you who have been watching and following me for so long. It truly means a lot, and I'm glad that I can be this person.
Warren Buffett, one of the richest people alive, has finally showed us that Ripple is the future. Now, do you think you could ever win if you bet against the all-time billionaire of the century? You will obviously fail, and the markets will reverse almost immediately. Warren has been known for keeping his moves low-key and only announcing them when it's checkmate. But this time, we finally got wind of what he is planning together with other billionaires. Now, let me show you Warren Buffett's moves. The 2020, the Bank of America exec lifts the lid on the Ripple partnership. Julie Harris went on to say, "It's about you as a client and the infrastructure you have and the ability for us to integrate, whether that's with platforms and capabilities that we built or partnerships that we have with the likes of Ripple or Swift. These are fintechs that we're partnering with." Then, 1 year down the line, Warren Buffett's company bets on the Bank of America, and since then, the company has doubled its money thanks to the surge in the stock market. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway bet $2.1 billion on the Bank of America stock in the summer of 2020. The investor's company has nearly doubled its money thanks to the stock surging since then. Berkshire spent less than $15 billion for a stake in the bank that's worth over $45 billion today. Do you see a clear picture here? Warren Buffett is following the moves of Ripple closely, and don't be surprised to find out that this billionaire already owns XRPs. And apparently, Warren sold all his Goldman Sachs and Wells Fargo stocks and invested in Bank of America. That should actually show that this guy believes in the future of the Bank of America. And whether they'll admit it or not, that also suggests that Warren believes in the partnership between Bank of America and Ripple. I mean, why else would he double down on Bank of America? Everywhere that Ripple goes, they bring positive price actions by solving real problems. CBDCs are obviously the next big thing in this cryptosphere. Now the U.S. Treasury also knows this, and they're highlighting that it will outperform Bitcoin. I hope you all see where all this is coming from, right? RippleNet is the only crypto platform that's capable of housing CBDCs. And yep, that means XRP will outperform Bitcoin. If you have an investment in XRP, then it means you will also reap the benefits of this move. Most government officials already know that XRP is the crypto of the future. That's why this cryptocurrency is going through a lot of scrutiny from the SEC. The regulatory body is trying to ensure that XRP is the first crypto to be regulated. And when that is said and done, we should expect positive growth from XRP. Don't just wait on the sidelines for this to happen. That's because when it does, you'll be left behind. XRP's rise to the top will happen overnight, and most people will not see it coming. So why hasn't XRP hit the moon yet? We've been saying this for months now, and nothing has changed. Well, to be honest, the only thing holding back XRP is the current SEC case. Without that, XRP would probably be on its way to take over that top spot. Yep, I said it. XRP is meant to rule the crypto space. However, the SEC versus Ripple case is close to its end. I don't think the SEC has any more evidence to fabricate against Ripple. As a matter of fact, I think this entire court case has only exposed the SEC for its illegal activities. In truth, the SEC has committed so many fraudulent activities ever since this court case started, and it's now only coming to light. John Deaton, who's actually a representative of the crypto community in this case, went on Twitter to say that it won't get better for Hinman and Clayton, and that's a fact. Hinman obviously didn't know that he would be dragged into this court case, and that's why he was caught off guard, and that's why his lies are so easy to detect. In essence, if all goes according to plan, the SEC will have nothing else to fight Ripple with, and that's the whole agenda. The SEC has tried a couple of times to fabricate the truth, but the whole crypto community noticed what they're doing. And since then, the XRP army has been on the neck of the SEC and always checking their moves, and why wouldn't they? If the regulatory body has the strength to fabricate evidence, what's going to stop them from doing it again? Luckily, the regulatory body is about to experience a change in power that they've never had to face before. As we speak, Ripple is continually growing its overseas influence, and that means this company will be too powerful for the SEC to bring down. The same thing is happening with Ethereum and Bitcoin. We all know that these two crypto companies are not legal. in more ways than one, both Ethereum and Bitcoin are getting hall passes just because they're quite powerful and not because they are doing things by the book. That's why, in the society we live in, if you are powerful enough, you can easily avoid the law completely. Now, we're trying to break this type of association in the crypto world. Guys, it's time to open your eyes. The math is very raw. All you have to do is be a little keen about what is happening in the crypto space. I'm sure you'll easily notice the potential that XRP carries and why the SEC and other powerful people are trying their level best to slow it down. But this crypto was meant for greater things. No matter what the SEC tries to do, XRP will always prevail. Haven't you seen the effort the regulatory body is putting to this court case and they're still not successful? That should show you that XRP didn't come to play. Speaking of which, time to take a look at the technical analysis. And we start with XRP. XRP is a volatile asset. But where there is volatility, there is reward. As you can see, XRP has always broken below the support levels and caused scarcity within the markets. We could potentially see something like this again, so be prepared. Now, turning to Bitcoin, if Bitcoin maintains the momentum and can break out of the short-term bullish flag, major resistance at 48,000, and then the parallel channel, we can see a massive pump towards 56 to 58,000. Now watch out for the massive resistance and pullback if we reach there. Bitcoin USD will return to 48,000, in my opinion, after being rejected by the daily support. You see the chart, or by the $42,000 to $42,500 zone. Target, supports, time to take a look at the technical analysis. And we start with XRP. XRP is a volatile asset. But where there is volatility, there is reward. As you can see, XRP has always broken below the support levels and caused scarcity within the markets. We could potentially see something like this again, so be prepared. Now, turning to Bitcoin, if Bitcoin maintains the momentum and can break out of the short-term bullish flag, major resistance at 48,000, and then the parallel channel, we can see a massive pump towards 56 to 58,000. Now watch out for the massive resistance and pullback if we reach there. Bitcoin USD will return to 48,000, in my opinion, after being rejected by the daily support. You see the chart, or by the $42,000 to $42,500 zone. Target, supports, and resistances on the chart. As always, do your own research and always trade safely, guys. And we continue to pray for the victims of Ukraine.
So enjoy your day, everybody. I'm always here for you. Leave any comments or questions below and be sure to subscribe. But thanks, everybody. I really appreciate you. Enjoy your day, and I always have your back. So thanks so much, everybody.